What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to OMNI Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, OMNI Academy offers 50+ free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. Omni Academy, your career transformation starts here, and it starts free.
Have you ever wondered how websites like Amazon, Daraz, Alibaba, eBay, or Shopify actually work behind the scenes? When a customer opens an online store, searches for products, adds items to a cart, makes a payment, and receives an order confirmation, hundreds of processes are happening in the background. Product information is being fetched from databases, user accounts are being verified, payments are being processed securely, and orders are being stored for future tracking. The exciting part is that all of these features can be built using one of the most popular and powerful technology stacks in modern web development, the MERN stack. Hello everyone, and welcome to this free MERN stack workshop. Build full e-commerce web apps. Whether you are a student looking to enter the technology industry, a fresh graduate searching for high-demand skills, a freelancer wanting to attract more clients, or a professional planning a career transition into software development, this workshop has been designed specifically for you. Today, we will take a complete journey through the world of MERN stack development and discover how developers create professional full-stack web applications from scratch. We will learn about front-end development, back-end development, database management, user authentication, API creation, shopping cart systems, payment integrations, deployment strategies, and much more. Most importantly, you will understand how all these technologies work together to create real-world e-commerce applications that businesses use every day. By the end of this workshop, you'll have a clear understanding of how modern web applications are built and why MERN stack developers are among the most sought-after professionals in today's technology market. So sit back, stay focused, and let's begin this exciting learning journey. What is MERN stack? Before building any application, we first need to understand what MERN stack actually means. The word MERN is an acronym consisting of 4 technologies: MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Together, these technologies allow developers to build complete web applications using JavaScript from start to finish. Let's understand each component individually. MongoDB is a modern NoSQL database used to store application data. Unlike traditional databases that use tables and rows, MongoDB stores information in flexible document structures, making it highly scalable and developer-friendly. Express.js is a lightweight backend framework that simplifies the process of creating APIs and server-side applications. It helps developers handle requests, process data, and communicate with databases efficiently. React.js is one of the most popular front-end libraries in the world. It is used to build dynamic, interactive, and responsive user interfaces that users see and interact with. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to run on servers. Before Node.js existed, JavaScript was mainly used inside browsers. Node.js changed everything by enabling JavaScript to power backend systems as well. When combined, these technologies create a powerful ecosystem that enables developers to build complete applications using a single programming language. This reduces complexity, improves productivity, and speeds up development. That is why companies around the world actively seek MERN stack developers. Understanding full stack development. One of the most common terms you hear in software development is full stack development. But what does it actually mean? Imagine you're constructing a house. The exterior design, paint, furniture, and decorations are what people see and interact with. This is similar to front-end development. The plumbing, electrical systems, water supply, and structural foundation work behind the scenes. This is similar to back-end development. A full-stack developer understands both sides. They know how to build beautiful user interfaces while also creating powerful back-end systems that process data and manage business operations. In an e-commerce application, front-end development includes product pages, shopping carts, search functionality, navigation menus, checkout forms, user dashboards. Back-end development includes user authentication, database management, order processing, inventory management, payment integration, security systems. A full-stack developer can create all of these components and connect them together into a fully functioning application. This versatility makes full-stack developers extremely valuable in today's job market. Building the front end with React. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting parts of web development, the front end. The front end is everything users see when they visit a website. Think about online stores. Users browse products, view images, read descriptions, filter categories, add items to carts, submit orders. All of these interactions happen through the front end. React.js has become one of the most widely used front-end technologies because it enables developers to create fast and interactive user experiences. One of React's biggest strengths is its component-based architecture. A component is a reusable piece of user interface. For example, a product card displaying an image, price, and title can be created once and reused hundreds of times throughout an application. This significantly reduces development time while improving consistency. React also allows applications to update information instantly without refreshing the entire page. When a user adds a product to a cart, React can update the cart count immediately. This creates smooth and responsive user experiences that modern consumers expect. Because of its flexibility and performance, React is used by some of the world's largest technology companies. Learning React opens doors to countless opportunities in web development. Building the backend with Node.js and Express. While the front end handles what users see, the backend handles what users don't see. The backend acts as the brain of the application. Whenever users log in, search for products, place orders, or make payments, backend systems process those requests. Node.js allows JavaScript to run on servers. This means developers can use the same language on both front-end and back-end systems. Express.js makes back-end development faster and easier. Using Express, developers create APIs that allow applications to exchange information. For example, when a customer clicks Login, the front-end sends a request to the back-end. The back-end verifies the credentials. The database is checked. If everything is correct, access is granted. The response is then sent back to the user. The same process occurs when users create accounts, place orders, update profiles, or submit payments. APIs act as bridges between the front-end and back-end. Understanding how APIs work is one of the most important skills for any modern web developer. Working with MongoDB databases. Every application generates data: customer information, product information, order history, payment records, reviews, inventory details. All this information must be stored somewhere. That's where MongoDB comes in. MongoDB is a flexible NoSQL database that stores information as documents. Unlike traditional databases that require rigid structures, MongoDB allows developers to store data more naturally. For example, a product document may include product name, description, price, images, stock quantity, category, ratings, reviews. All of this can exist within a single document. MongoDB is designed for scalability and performance. Many modern businesses use MongoDB because it handles large volumes of data efficiently. As applications grow, MongoDB can grow with them. This makes it an excellent choice for e-commerce applications. User authentication and security. Security is one of the most critical aspects of software development. Every day, users trust applications with sensitive information. Email addresses, passwords, payment details, personal information. Developers must ensure this data remains protected. Authentication systems help verify user identities. In a typical e-commerce application, users create accounts and log in using their credentials. However, storing passwords in plain text would be extremely dangerous. Instead, developers use encryption techniques to secure user information. Modern MERN applications often use JWT authentication. JWT stands for JSON Web Token. These tokens help verify users securely while maintaining smooth user experiences. Additionally, role-based access systems ensure that customers and administrators have different permissions. Customers can place orders. Administrators can manage products and inventory. These security measures protect applications from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Building shopping carts and order systems. The shopping cart is one of the most important features of any e-commerce application. Without it, online shopping wouldn't exist. When users browse products, they often want to save items before making a purchase. The shopping cart allows them to add products, remove products, update quantities, view totals, apply discounts, proceed to checkout. Behind the scenes, multiple systems work together to make this possible. Product information is retrieved from databases, cart data is stored and updated, order calculations are performed automatically. Once a customer confirms their purchase, the order management system takes over. Orders are created, inventory is updated, notifications are generated, shipping processes begin. Understanding these workflows helps developers build real-world applications that businesses rely on every day. Payment gateway integration. One of the most advanced and rewarding aspects of e-commerce development is payment integration. Customers expect secure and convenient payment options. Modern applications support credit cards, debit cards, online banking, digital wallets, mobile payments. Payment gateways act as intermediaries between customers, businesses, and financial institutions. When a customer submits payment information, the payment gateway securely processes the transaction. The application then receives confirmation regarding whether the payment was successful or unsuccessful. Developers must carefully handle these workflows to ensure security and reliability. A single mistake in payment processing can negatively impact customer trust. That is why payment integration is considered one of the most valuable skills in web development. Deployment and going live. Building an application on your computer is only the first step. The next challenge is deployment. Deployment means making your application accessible to users around the world. This involves hosting servers, configuring databases, managing domains, securing environments, and monitoring application performance. Professional developers understand how to move applications from development environments into production environments. A deployed application can serve thousands or even millions of users. Learning deployment completes the software development lifecycle and transforms a project into a real business solution. Building an application is only part of the journey. The next step is deployment. Deployment makes applications available to users worldwide. Developers learn production environments, cloud hosting, domain configuration, environment variables, database deployment, application monitoring. Understanding deployment transforms you from a learner into a professional developer. Companies expect developers to know how applications move from development environments into production. Career opportunities. Now let's discuss why MERN Stack is one of the most valuable skills you can learn today. Businesses are rapidly moving online. Every business needs websites, portals, dashboards, and e-commerce platforms. This creates enormous demand for skilled developers. MERN Stack professionals can work as front-end developers, back-end developers, full-stack developers, software engineers, web application developers, freelancers, technical consultants, startup founders, remote developers. Many developers begin their journey with simple projects and eventually work for international companies or launch their own businesses. The opportunities are truly global. One of the biggest reasons people learn MERN Stack is career growth. MERN developers can work as front-end developers, back-end developers, full-stack developers, software engineers, web application developers, freelancers, startup founders. Freelancing platforms regularly feature projects involving e-commerce websites, business portals, inventory systems, CRM applications, educational platforms. With strong MERN skills, you can work locally, remotely, or internationally. As we come to the end of this free MERN Stack workshop, let's take a moment to reflect on everything we have explored together throughout this learning journey. Today, we didn't just learn about technologies, we learned how modern digital businesses are built. We started by understanding the fundamentals of the MERN Stack and why it has become one of the most popular technology stacks in the software development industry. We explored how MongoDB helps store and manage large amounts of application data efficiently. We learned how Express.js simplifies back-end development and allows developers to build powerful APIs quickly. We discovered how React.js helps create modern, dynamic, and interactive user interfaces that deliver exceptional user experiences. And finally, we explored how Node.js enables JavaScript to run on servers, making it possible to build complete full-stack applications using a single programming language. Beyond the technologies themselves, we also explored the complete architecture of a modern e-commerce platform. We discussed how users register and log into applications securely. We learned how authentication systems protect user accounts and sensitive information. We explored how products are stored, displayed, and managed within online stores. We examined how shopping carts function and how customers can add, remove, and update products before placing an order. We learned how payment gateways process transactions securely and ensure smooth online purchasing experiences. We also discussed the importance of admin dashboards, inventory management systems, and reporting tools that help businesses monitor operations and make informed decisions. In addition, we explored how applications are deployed to production environments so they can be accessed by users around the world. Most importantly, we discussed the incredible career opportunities available to MERN Stack developers. Today, businesses of every size are investing in digital transformation. Startups need web applications. Small businesses need e-commerce stores. Educational institutions need learning platforms. Healthcare organizations need management systems. Financial companies need secure digital solutions. And all of these industries require skilled developers who can design, build, and maintain modern applications. This is exactly why MERN Stack development continues to be one of the most valuable and in-demand skill sets in the technology industry. Whether your goal is to secure a high-paying job, become a freelancer, launch your own startup, build software products, or work remotely for international companies, MERN Stack can help you achieve those goals. However, learning technology is not just about watching videos or attending workshops. Real growth happens when knowledge is transformed into action. The most successful developers are not necessarily the smartest people in the room. They are the people who consistently practice, build projects, solve problems, and continue learning even when challenges arise. Remember, every successful software engineer started exactly where you are today. They started with curiosity. They started with questions. They started with small projects. They made mistakes. They encountered bugs. They faced challenges, but they continued moving forward. The applications and platforms we use every day were not built overnight. They were created through continuous learning, experimentation, testing, and improvement. So, if you're just beginning your development journey, don't compare yourself to experienced developers. Focus on becoming better than you were yesterday. Build your first project, then build another one. Continue learning new concepts, continue solving problems. Continue challenging yourself, because every project you complete brings you one step closer to becoming a professional developer. And who knows, the e-commerce application you build tomorrow could become the portfolio project that helps you secure your first internship, your first freelance client, your first software engineering position, or even the foundation of your own technology startup. The opportunities are truly limitless for those who are willing to learn and take action. Now that you've experienced the power and potential of MERN Stack development, we'd like to extend a special opportunity exclusively for workshop participants. If you want to move beyond theory and gain practical hands-on experience building real-world applications, then our MERN Stack professional training program has been designed specifically for you. Through this comprehensive training program, you'll gain access to structured learning pathways, industry-relevant projects, professional mentorship, portfolio development guidance, and practical exercises designed to prepare you for real-world software development roles. You will learn how to build complete applications from scratch. You will work on real projects that can be added directly to your portfolio. You will gain practical experience that employers and clients value. And you'll develop the confidence required to tackle professional development challenges. As a special thank you for attending today's workshop, we are offering an exclusive 20% discount on our MERN Stack professional training program.
Please note that this offer is available for a limited time and will remain valid for only 7 days after this workshop. If you've been waiting for the right opportunity to invest in your future, this could be the perfect time to take the next step. Jobs, internships, and career support. Our support doesn't stop at training. We understand that many learners are looking for internships, jobs, freelance opportunities, and career guidance. That's why we encourage you to explore our jobs and internships portal, where you can discover software development jobs, MERN Stack internships, remote opportunities, entry-level positions, fresh graduate roles, freelance projects, career development resources, industry updates. These opportunities can help you gain practical experience and accelerate your professional growth. Join our WhatsApp job channel. To stay connected and receive the latest opportunities directly on your mobile device, we invite you to join our WhatsApp job channel. By subscribing, you'll receive daily job alerts, internship opportunities, career guidance, interview preparation tips, CV and resume support, professional development resources, free workshop announcements, industry insights, learning resources, and much more. Our goal is not only to help you learn technical skills, but also to support your complete career journey. As we conclude this workshop, remember one simple truth: the future belongs to those who continue learning. Technology will continue to evolve, new tools will emerge, new opportunities will appear,
But one thing will always remain valuable: the ability to solve problems through technology. Start building, start learning, start creating. Don't wait until you feel ready. Begin today, because every expert was once a beginner. Every successful developer wrote their first line of code at some point, and every great application started as a simple idea. Thank you once again for joining our free MERN Stack workshop. We hope this session has inspired you to continue your learning journey and explore the exciting world of full-stack web development. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming workshops, training programs, and community events. Until then, keep learning, keep building, keep innovating, and keep moving toward your goals. Happy learning, happy building, and happy coding. Thank you and best of luck on your MERN Stack journey.